Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Andrew Peters here with Johnson RV out in Sandy, Oregon. Today we're going to be in our showroom showcasing you a 2025 LTV Unity. It's going to be the MBL floor plan, stands for Murphy bed. So we're going to have that as soon as we walk in. Now, one thing that you guys probably know about leisure travel, you're going to get 3 coats of paint, 2 coats of clear. This is going to have the Alcoa wheels. We're going to have the extended lithium battery of 270 amp hours, giving us a total of 540 amp hours. We're going to have a 3,000 watt inverter. You can run everything inside this coach, just dry camping off of that lithium system, which is really cool. We're going to have a Girard awning that comes all the way out. Tons of storage on the exterior and everything like that. We'd love to spend more time and actually go through it with you in person. We got to keep these videos a little short, so let's go ahead and hop inside here. As we make our way, you're going to see we're going to have the seating area here for the lounge, and then we're also going to have that Murphy bed that pulls all the way over. This is just a cushion right over that counter where we do have 2 cup holders. As you all know too, we're going to be on the diesel Mercedes chassis with the 2.2 liter. And then up top, we're going to have more storage. All the storage up here, we're going to have our control panel. It's going to control everything inside the coach for us, and all the cabinetry. We've got a nice little skylight here that does pop open and open for us. Adrian, if you don't mind coming a little bit further in, I want to go over this. We're going to have a 4-point leveling system, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, made by EQ Systems. We're going to have a Truma instant hot water heater, and we also have battery heat as well for our lithium batteries. One thing I want to point out is the amount of storage this coach has, especially this floor plan. Really like it. It's actually one of my favorites, not only because it has a full walk around queen bed, but it's got a beautiful kitchen and it's got a huge bathroom, guys. I'm 6'2", a taller individual, so I definitely need a lot of bathroom space, and I do need a bigger shower that we will see right here. We got the toilet right over there to our left. We got a nice Norcold refrigerator with our microwave up top. Come check us out here at Johnson RV. If I'm unavailable, please ask for Adrian Knight. Hope to see you guys soon.